We just like the burgers.
Yeah. It's true. Not a bad date to maybe eat a burger, maybe sip on something outside, huh?
Oh, yeah, this is going to be a great day to have some of your food out on a patio.
Yeah.
It's really going to be nice. Sunny out there, but if you do have those napkins, you want to make sure that you have them weighed down because the winds, they will start to kick up later this afternoon. So for brunch, I'd try about 71 degrees around 10 o'clock or so, but by the lunchtime hour, getting up into the 80s as we see the abundant sunshine. Current conditions with a live look out over downtown Portland on this Friday morning. Calm, quiet, clear as our temperatures flirt with 60 degrees. We'll hold on to those clear conditions well through the mid-morning hours. Already by about 10 o'clock, nearing that 70-degree mark. As all is quiet now across the Portland metro area, what we will see is the increase in the wind speeds. We're talking about wind gusts nearing about 20 to 25 miles per hour as our current winds right now out in Portland, transitioning from the west now out of the north at about 5. And you'll notice those winds out towards the Cascades. Mount Hood Meadows already seeing the east winds at nearly 30 miles per hour. So here's kind of your timeline. This is a timestamp of about 3 o'clock. Portland, 31-mile-per-hour gusts. Again, now the east-northeast. Those are the drying, the warming winds that we expect to see. And those winds will take us into Saturday as well, but not quite as strong as what we will experience later this afternoon, only gusting to about 15 miles per hour. So that's basically Mother Nature's leaf blower for you as we expect to see those gusty conditions continue tomorrow at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. It's so-so for Sunday, so you might actually have to bring out the actual leaf blower to clean up your yard, as high pressure is the culprit for those easterly warming winds that we will see this afternoon as we prepare for our next front to move its way on shore just in time for Monday. Another one follows on Tuesday, keeping the wet weather and cooler temperatures in the forecast through the middle of next week. As those easterly winds continue to pick up, that's going to keep the sunny skies overhead with picturesque views, maybe some great Mount Hood shots to be taken later this afternoon as we eventually start to see the winds die down by about Saturday evening. But we could potentially be breaking a record on Saturday. Yes, cooler tomorrow with an expected high of 83, but the current record for that day is 83, last set back in 2014. But we do have that flannel watch in full effect for next week as the cooler and rainier weather once again returns. 85, that's your forecasted high today. Not record breaking, but well above the average of 69 for this time of year. That sunshine takes us through the weekend. It's a rare occurrence to see two back-to-back sunny weekends in the month of October, so soak it up as the wet weather returns Monday. Lasts all the way through the middle of the week as our temperatures fall as low as 61 on Tuesday. Ken?
All right, Josh, I'm all in for that weekend forecast.
Me too.
Yeah, just ahead, former President Trump announces his top